Bingo Cash is a mobile bingo game that combines competitive bingo matches with cash rewards. So the real question is whether it is actually legitimate, or just another app making big promises. By the end, you'll know how Bingo Cash works, what signs show whether a reward app is trustworthy, and what to check before spending your time or money. Bingo Cash works by letting players compete in bingo-style games, where results are affected by gameplay, speed, and performance. Unlike a traditional bingo game played just for fun, apps like this add competition and reward systems that can make the experience feel different. The first thing to check with any cash reward game is how the system works. A legitimate app should clearly explain its rules, scoring, fees, and how players can access rewards. Winning a few games does not automatically mean an app is a reliable way to earn money. Competitive reward apps are designed around player performance, and results can vary depending on your skill level and the competition you face. Before putting money into Bingo Cash, read the terms inside the app and understand exactly what happens when you enter a paid competition. Check the entry costs, reward conditions, and withdrawal requirements before making any decisions. Another thing to consider is whether you actually enjoy the gameplay. If you like bingo and competitive challenges, the app may feel like entertainment with an added reward system. If you are only interested because of the cash claims, you should judge whether the time and effort match the potential benefits. A common mistake with reward apps is focusing only on the possible payout and ignoring the process. A better approach is to test the app carefully, understand the rules, and avoid spending more than you are comfortable losing. So, is Bingo Cash legit? The answer depends on what you expect from it. A reward app can be legitimate while still not being the right choice for everyone. The important factors are transparency, clear rules, and whether the experience matches what the app promises. Before playing regularly, check the game rules, understand how rewards work, and decide if the entertainment value is worth your time. If this helped you understand Bingo Cash better, subscribe for more straightforward reviews of popular apps and online platforms.